5.1 and 4.2 earthquakes rocked Trinidad amid flooding. Trinidad and Tobago was shaken by another earthquake late Monday night. The UWE's Seismic Research Center recorded the magnitude 5.1 quake at 11:33 p.m. It was located 10 kilometers deep, 88 kilometers west-southwest of Port of Spain, 91 kilometers west-northwest of San Fernando, and 110 east-southwest of Carúpano, Venezuela. A magnitude 5.1 tremor was also recorded at 12:35 p.m. Sunday, and one occurred on the 20th of October at 4:41 p.m. with a depth of 60 kilometers, and was also felt in nearby Barbados and St. Vincent and the Grenadines.